Hello everyone and I welcome you to Talk with RD. Today's my topic is machine learning types. Okay, so that means I do say machine learning types of machine learning algorithms. That is a very basic thing which everyone's need to understand. Okay, so let's start. So basically machine learning is classified into four types. Okay, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning and reinforcement learning. In my today's video I will tell about this two uh, because the video can because if I go for this four, then video can become so large and you can get actually bored. Okay, so in my next video I will talk about this two. So here is two things, that is supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So what is supervised learning? Basically, let me tell, basically we train an algorithms and in the end of a process we pick a function which best describe the input data. Okay, for example, we have two things, okay, a and b. A is a kind of input and b is a kind of output. So a makes the best estimation for b. Okay, so that means a means the makes the best estimation of b. Actually here's the human expert act as a teacher, where we feed the computer with training data containing the input or output, or you can say prediction. Okay, so hypothetically speaking, we show the computer the correct answer. Okay, and from that data computer learns the patterns, and with the previous data the computer make the prediction more and more better. Okay, so that was all about supervised learning. In supervised learning, we do predictive modeling, we have label data, and more importantly, we have problem included. So supervised learning is further divided into two parts, that is continuous target variable and categorical target variable. Continuous target variable, here we have regression model, and categorical target variable we have classification model. So where we can use regression model, we can use regression model in house prediction, house price prediction category, and in classification we can use in medical imaging. Okay, so that was supervised learning. Okay, but how to implement it? So there are a kind of algorithms which are required to implement it. Okay, so algorithm are a set of ideas to solve any problems. Okay, so basically in supervised learning we use uh, five or six kind of algorithms. Okay, so one is nearest neighbor algorithm, second support vector machine, third linear regression, fourth naive Bayes, fifth the neural networks or deep learning, or last decision tree. Okay, so this kind of algorithm we can use to solve supervised learning problem, that means for regression and classification model. So with that we can easily predict the house price, or we can use medical imaging. Why I am saying it a category? Because medical field is a kind of category field, it's not continuous. Okay, suppose if a person is suffering from suppose pneumonia. Okay, so we take its x-ray image, and with that x-ray image we can easily with the concept of deep learning or machine learning, we can easily predict that is he person is suffering from pneumonia or not. Okay, so that is not a continuous form, that is a category form, and in continuous form we can predict the house price. Okay, how can we predict? We can predict by seeing our surrounding. Okay, so we can see the estimation price of the house of our neighbors, the size of the house, the rooms it have, the facility it have. With that we can estimation, we can predict the house price with the help of machine learning. Okay, so that is a kind of really fun thing. Okay, so this was a supervised learning. So what kind of algorithm we can use? We can use nearest neighbor algorithm, naive Bayes, support vector machine, linear regression, neural network, and last decision tree. Okay, so that is a very dynamic algorithm and we can use here. Okay, so my second category is unsupervised learning. So here the computer is trained with unlabeled data. Here we have no kind of teacher to teach us. So actually computer might be able to teach you the new thing after it learns pattern in data. So these algorithms are particularly useful in case where human intelligence somehow fails. Okay, where a human expert does not know what to look for it in a data. So they are a family of machine learning algorithm which are mainly used in pattern detection and descriptive modeling. However, there are no output category or label data. Okay, so here we can so it is used in descriptive modeling or used in unlabeled data. So unsupervised learning use where target variable are not available. So it is further classified into two parts, that is clustering and association. But here we have regression and classification, but here we have clustering and association. Clustering means to cluster, okay, to merge. Okay, so clustering are used for customer segmentation and association are used for market basket analysis. Okay, so the most common kind of algorithm we can use in unsupervised learning is two types: k-mean clustering and association rule learning algorithms. So these are a two kind of algorithm which are very useful in case of unsupervised learning, that is clustering algorithm or k-means clustering or association rule learning algorithms. So this thing can make happen the or treat or train the algorithm or train the model for unsupervised learning. So this was a two category, that is supervised learning and unsupervised learning. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, in my next video I will tell you about this semi supervised learning and a reinforcement learning. So semi supervised learning and reinforcement learning can be covered in next video, because I know you are getting bored. So okay, so bye bye and enjoy. Bye.